Hello students, welcome again on my YouTube channel. This is Amit sir, your accountancy teacher. Now to this video, I am going to start one more full-fledged problem from chapter number 4, that is admission of a partner. But before I start, I'll suggest you all to please like and subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon before leaving this page. Now I'm starting finally the last full-fledged problem from chapter number 4. After that we will do revision in next video. In the given problem, on 31st March 2010, the balance sheet of W and R, who were sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2, represents creditors of rupees 20,000, profit and loss of rupees 15,000. We will distribute this profit between old partners in their old ratio. It means 3:2 में distribute कर देंगे. And capitals of the partner prior to admission of new partner, W of rupees 40,000, R of rupees 30,000. Cash balance is of rupees 5,000, debtors of rupees 20,000, less 700 for old provision or reserve, stock of rupees 25,000, plant and machinery of 35,000, patents of rupees 20,700. Now, first adjustment says on the date of admission of B must be given admission on the following terms. He will get 4/15 share in future profit. Second, B had to bring 30,000 as his capital. Third, he would pay cash for his share of goodwill, and that goodwill is to be computed on the basis of 2.5 year of purchase of average profit of last 4 year. It means हमें 4 साल का profit का average करना है, उसे 2.5 से multiply करना है, and half of that goodwill जो नया partner लेके आएगा, B लेके आएगा, that is withdrawn by sacrificing partner. 4. Adjustments are given regarding revaluation of assets or liabilities. The assets, it means debtor book value must be represented at 5% less for provision for doubtful debt. It means new provision debtor का 5% बनेगा. And stock is to be valued at 20,000. Plant and machinery is to be valued at 40,000. After that, information regarding 3 years profit is given to us. बट अगर आप थर्ड एडजस्टमेंट को ध्यान से देखें, वहां पे हमें 4 इयर्स का एवरेज बोला गया है. इट मीन्स 4th ईयर्स प्रॉफिट विल बी टेकन फ्रॉम बैलेंस शीट. आपको याद होगा बैलेंस शीट में मैंने बोला था प्रॉफिट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा, वही वाला प्रॉफिट यहाँ पे एवरेज प्रॉफिट निकालने के लिए भी यूज होगा फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ कंप्यूटिंग गुडविल. आफ्टर दैट दे वांट अस टू प्रिपेयर रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट एंड बैलेंस शीट ऑफ न्यू फर्म आफ्टर बी's admission. Now at first we will make revaluation account. While preparing revaluation account, first thing we will show provision for doubtful debt, which is equivalent to 5% of 20,000. ये 5% हमें पिछली स्लाइड में बताया गया था कि प्रोविजन को 5% बनाना है, and 20,000 debtors are given to us in balance sheet. When we make 5% of 20,000, we will get 1,000, and on debit side we will represent 300. ये 300 कैसे आया? ये 300 आया न्यू प्रोविजन जो है 1,000 का, और ओल्ड प्रोविजन जो भी बैलेंस शीट में पहले से ही गिवन था 700 का, सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद नेट बैलेंस ऑफ 300 इज देयर. और प्रोविजन क्या होता है? लायबिलिटी. व्हेनेवर देयर इज इंक्रीज इन लायबिलिटी विल शो इट ऑन डेबिट साइड. नेक्स्ट, प्लांट एंड मशीनरी इज टू बी वैल्यूड एट रुपीज 40,000. प्लांट एंड मशीनरी को हमें 40,000 पे वैल्यू करना है. अगर आपको याद हो, हमने बैलेंस शीट में प्लांट एंड मशीनरी देखा था 35,000 का. इट मीन्स देयर इज अ इंक्रीज इन द वैल्यू ऑफ प्लांट एंड मशीनरी बाय रुपीज 5,000, which will be termed as income, and incomes are to be shown on credit side of revaluation account. Next, stock is to be valued at 40,000. stock का वैल्यू 40,000 है. अब पर पास्ट में जो था वो था 45,000. इट मीन्स देयर इज अ फॉल इन द वैल्यू ऑफ स्टॉक बाय रुपीज 5,000, और एसेट की वैल्यू में फॉल होना लॉस होता है. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग इट ऑन डेबिट साइड ऑफ रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. Now, after posting all the relevant information related to revaluation account, we will balance it. And when we compare debit side with credit side, we can easily see debit side is 300 more in comparison to credit side. Therefore, loss is there. And that loss is to be distributed between old ratio, which was 3:2. When we divide 300 loss in their old ratio, W will get 180 and R will get 120. Now, after preparation of revaluation account, our next step is preparation of partners capital account. For preparing partners capital account, first we will write their balances from last balance sheet as their balance BD, out of which W will get 40,000 and R will get 30,000. After that, we will post new partner's capital, which he bring in form of cash as by cash, and that amount is to be shown on credit side of B's capital account. Next entry is for treatment of goodwill. Premium for goodwill shown here as 6600 and 4400. The computation of that amount is as under. Goodwill equal to average profit into number of years of purchase. Average profit is computed by adding 4 years profit, but in adjustment only 3 years profit is given to us. 4th year profit is taken from balance sheet. On adding them and dividing them by 4 and on multiplying it with number of purchase of 2.5, we will get goodwill of the firm, which is equal to 41,250. Next is computation of B's share of goodwill, which is 41250 into his share, which is equivalent to 4 by 15. And after multiplying firm's goodwill with his share, we will get B's share of goodwill as 11,000. और उसी 11,000 को मैंने उनके ओल्ड रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है, which is 3:2. जब डिवाइड करते हैं तो W को मिलता है 6600 and R will get 4400. Now after distribution of goodwill, next step is distribution of profit and loss given in balance sheet. बैलेंस शीट में प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस का जो बैलेंस हमें गिवन था लायबिलिटी साइड पे वो था 15,000. When we divide that 15,000 in their old ratio, W will get 9,000 and R will get 6,000. After that, we will post loss on revaluation. Loss on revaluation is 180 and 120, which was computed by us on previous slide. I am showing it on debit side because it will reduce their capital. Next is cash withdrawn in form of goodwill. And अगर आपने क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ा हो, it was clearly given there that half of goodwill is withdrawn by them. It means 6600 का half 3300, 4400 का half 2200 will be shown on debit side as 2 cash 3300 and 2200 in W and R's column respectively. After that, we will compute their balance CD, or the capital is to be shown on in new balance sheet. Now that capital is W's capital is 52,120, R's capital is 38,080 and B's capital is 30,000. Now after preparation of partner's capital account, our final and the last step is preparation of balance sheet. While preparing balance sheet, we must show debtors first after reducing new provision from them. Net value which is to be shown for debtor is 19,000. After that, we will show stock at new value, which will be 25,000 minus 5,000 at 20,000. After that, we will show plant and machinery again at its new value, which is 5,000 more than its previous value. We will represent it at 40,000. Patents will be shown from last balance sheet as it is, and cash will be shown as 40,500. Computation of that cash is shown as under. 5,000 opening balance, 11,000 bring by new partner as his share of goodwill, 30,000 as new partner's capital, and 5,500 subtracted from these amount in respect of goodwill withdrawn by partner. अगर आपको याद हो, half goodwill withdrawn हुआ था, 11,000 का half 5,500. Now net result of all this thing is 40,500, which is shown here. After that, we will represent creditors as it is, because no change is given in the value of creditor. Closing balances of capital taken from last slide, of which W will get 52,120, R will get 38,080 and B will get 30,000. In total, their capitals are of rupees 1,20,200. Now it's time to say goodbye, and in next class we will start doing revision of this chapter. For the time being, please again don't forget to like and subscribe my channel once again. Thank you.